Car modifications encompass changes made to a vehicle beyond its factory settings. These can be broadly categorized into two main types: performance and aesthetic modifications. Performance modifications. These upgrades aim to enhance the vehicle's speed, acceleration, handling, and overall driving dynamics. Common performance modifications include engine tuning, exhaust system upgrades, suspension enhancements, and improved brake systems. Each of these modifications can significantly alter how a car performs on the road, improving both its responsiveness and capabilities. Aesthetic modifications. Aesthetic changes focus on altering the appearance of the vehicle to reflect the owner's personal style. This can include body kits, paint or vinyl wraps, lighting upgrades, and interior customization. Aesthetic modifications allow car owners to make their vehicles stand out and express their individuality. Performance upgrades are popular among car enthusiasts looking to boost the capabilities of their vehicles. Here's a deeper look at each type. Engine tuning. This involves adjusting the engine's computer or installing aftermarket performance chips to optimize fuel-air mixture, ignition timing, and other parameters. Engine tuning can increase horsepower and torque, improving acceleration and overall engine efficiency. Exhaust systems. Upgrading the exhaust system can enhance airflow, reducing back pressure and improving engine efficiency. This can lead to increased horsepower and a more aggressive engine sound. Exhaust upgrades often include aftermarket headers, high-flow catalytic converters, and performance mufflers. Suspension upgrades. Upgrading suspension components such as springs, shocks, and sway bars can improve handling, reduce body roll, and enhance cornering capabilities. This is particularly beneficial for enthusiasts who enjoy spirited driving or track days. Brake systems. Upgrading brake components such as larger rotors, high-performance brake pads, and stainless steel brake lines can improve braking performance. This enhances stopping power and reduces brake fade, crucial for high-speed driving and track use. Each of these upgrades requires careful consideration of compatibility with your vehicle's existing setup and potential impacts on warranty and insurance coverage. Aesthetic modifications allow car owners to personalize the appearance of their vehicles. Here's a closer look at some popular options. Body kits. Body kits typically include front and rear bumpers, side skirts, and spoilers, designed to give the car a more aggressive or aerodynamic look. They can be made from fiberglass, carbon fiber, or polyurethane, each offering different levels of durability and weight. Paint and vinyl wraps. Changing the vehicle's color or adding custom designs can dramatically alter its appearance. Vinyl wraps are temporary and can be removed without damaging the original paint, making them a popular choice for those who like to change their car's look frequently. Lighting upgrades. Upgrading headlights, tail lights, and interior lighting to LEDs can enhance visibility, improve aesthetics, and offer unique lighting patterns. Custom lighting options can include halo rings, sequential turn signals, and adaptive headlights. Interior customization. Upgrading interior features such as seats, upholstery, steering wheels, and dashboard trim can enhance comfort and aesthetics. This allows owners to create a more luxurious or sporty cabin environment tailored to their preferences. Each aesthetic modification requires careful planning to ensure compatibility with the vehicle's design and functionality, as well as consideration of professional installation for complex changes. Before embarking on any car modifications, it's essential to understand the legal and safety implications. Legal requirements. Modifications such as engine swaps, suspension alterations, and certain lighting changes may require approval or certification to ensure compliance with local regulations. Failure to comply could result in fines or the inability to register the vehicle. Safety implications. Some modifications can affect a vehicle's handling, braking, and crash safety. It's crucial to consider how modifications may impact the overall safety of the vehicle and its occupants. Ensuring proper installation and quality parts is essential to maintaining safety. Insurance considerations. Modifying your vehicle can affect your insurance premiums and coverage. Some insurers may require notification of modifications, while others may not provide coverage for non-standard parts or modifications that increase the vehicle's risk profile. Deciding whether to tackle modifications yourself or hire a professional depends on several factors. Skill level. Assess your own mechanical skills and knowledge before attempting complex modifications. Some upgrades, such as engine tuning or suspension adjustments, require specialized tools and expertise. Tools and equipment. Consider whether you have access to the necessary tools and equipment for each modification. Professional shops often have specialized tools and diagnostic equipment that can ensure proper installation. Cost and time. DIY modifications can save money on labor costs, but may require more time and effort. Professional installation ensures quality workmanship and may include warranties on parts and labor. It's important to weigh these factors based on your specific goals, budget, and comfort level with automotive work before deciding on the best approach for each modification. Car modifications offer enthusiasts the opportunity to personalize their vehicles and enhance performance, but they require careful planning and consideration of legal, safety, and practical factors. Whether you're upgrading your engine for more power or adding a custom paint job to turn heads, each modification should be approached with research and attention to detail. Remember to prioritize safety, legality, and quality craftsmanship in all your automotive endeavors. Thanks for watching, and happy modding. That concludes today's in-depth exploration of car modifications. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring for your own automotive projects. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on car culture and customization. Share your thoughts and experiences with car modifications in the comments below, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, drive safe and enjoy the road ahead.